Thank you for joining in, and for today's video, this one is a little bit different. I did an experiment. I wanted to see how this would turn out, so I have some rose petals there and they're in that little glass jar, and I looked at a few different ways to do this. At first here I'm just putting in some boiling water, and I know it said to only use just a little bit. And then depending on the flower, you'll see the color like come up immediately, and you can let them soak a little bit. This ended up being really light for me, so I threw in a little tiny bit of like a different purple flower that I had. I ended up with two different colors here. The one like recipe said to add a little bit of baking soda in, and it turned the color green. So I don't think I'd really recommend doing that. And then you can see my other super light pink shade there. And it definitely darkened a little bit as they dried. So that's something to note too. But overall, this was a fun experiment that I just wanted to share. You can leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried this and which flowers you used, because certain ones definitely work better than others with the pigments. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.